Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode, and today we are going to discuss about content creation in 2026. All over the internet there is a flood of AI based content. Sometimes I search something, say one specific topic, and use the time specification feature of Google and try to find out some content which was published before 2023. Question why? Because before 2023 there were some good quality content generated by human, and after the AI revolution, internet is full of AI based content. Now these content are good, informative, no doubt, but these content are somehow again another AI answer, and it is getting a new category because people are not interested to read them. So as a result, when you create a lot of valuable content doing some research, so-called prompting using AI, these get less engagement because one thing is missing here. It is the heart, the soul of a human touch is missing in this content. So here is the 6 steps, especially I'm trying to analyze them based on some experience and also real life problem. It is also sharing the thought. If you are a content creator, are you facing the similar kind of thought, something like that? So first of all, we start with the script writing, right? We decide a specific topic, we do a little bit of research using prompt on AI, get some idea how to outline this and tell the story to the person, just like someone sitting in front of you, and you are sharing your thought. That's it. So once your script is ready, you find there is some gap where you can improve something. So what is your competitor is saying about this specific topic? Try to include that in your article with some similar ideas. So if some other good creator created a one video which is more resourceful, look at the main point that you are missing, include that in your video as well to make it something engaging, valuable, and talking to a real person, by doing some sort of respect to the audience that they are tuning your channel or your social media content because they want to understand what is your experience in this field. So this formula is very popular. Like if you can do search engine optimization with human created content, that brings a lot of traffic. People are seeking experience. Even Rediff is a collection of human experience. People rely on a authority blog where one person is writing about one specific topic and he is like an expert. So more expert content is actually like kind of authority for your niche, and it also gives you good return on investment, like good engagement, good views. Not only views are important when you are selling some quality product like a course or a service. People rely on you because you are talking to human. When you write something which people looking for, they give it some sort of likes, comments, and that increase the engagement, and the algorithm understand this content is performing well. So this theory is well known to everyone in this particular area. But the biggest problem is that how to write a good hooks. There are many formulas available of writing good hooks, where you start with a ice-breaking point, and so that you explain some known topic, and then from the known topic you move to some unknown or advanced level theory or your own idea that you want to share, and all those things. So hooks are like there are some common formula for generating the hook, like 5 mistakes you want to avoid to do your travel planning, or there is a number, there is a problem, and a topic where this problem is related. So this kind of hook sometimes works very nice. And then you want to make some secret information, like top secret for doing this thing. So this kind of word is creating kind of hooks. How to build a SaaS application using AI, or how I build my first AI startup using this. So this kind of article, videos getting more engagement because it starts with the hooks. And after this hook, the next point is whether this content is saleable, or if you want to use this content to sell your own product, what matters? Does it works when you add a lot of visualization, animation, and transitions? I don't think brand look for many transition, animation, and good quality graphics. End of the day, these are not original copying from somewhere and like mash up together for presenting some information. So I think brand gives more importance to the engagement. If the content is building more engagement, that is the point where the deciding factor. Like, it is well known that even micro influencers are used by brand, because hiring a big influencer for a specific authority is a big budget. It is well known, but micro influencers are capable to spread the product. If instead of hiring one big influencer, if they distribute this fund of content marketing to a group of micro influencers, that sometimes gives more results. So that is one point. So next thing is using the right call to action in the content. We are already familiar that when we are posting a simple Instagram, putting the phone number, website address, email ID is very common. In fact, incorporating these in the content so that the audience understand which industry you belong to and what kind of service or consultancy you can provide to the audience. So brand actually pay for high performing content, which is more informative. People like your content because you are telling real fact. You are completely not depending on AI for the whole script, like some common phrases used by AI, which is easily identifiable in a context. And this kind of content create a sort of engagement, but the viewer and listener both understand that something is written by AI. Even people are smart enough to identify this kind of thing. So performance depend like whether brand is going to use your content as a medium of promotion, or if you think that you have used right hook and right call to action button, then even a 4-minute video can generate like 10,000, 20,000, or more than 100,000 views. Next thing, this user generated content, hiring a lot of micro influencer and promoting your topic. This is like buying the media, like a small social media group can promote a particular product, new product altogether, if this product has really potential value of solving one problem. Now, what is exactly the look? Are you educating the end customer with the right information about the product and service? Next, do you really love this brand, or you are creating this content for the sake of just posting another video? So designing the slide and using different kind of tools is a part of content creation. If you are a good writer but don't know how to use Canva, or it is not a difficult task to learn Canva if you already know PowerPoint, and there are many graphics available, video available. So if you keep your relevant content little, with a very little amount of text and graphics, you can pass the information to the audience. Sometimes when it is a tutorial like this, or a conversation to transfer some knowledge, you can put a lot of information on slide, but when it is a engaging content, it is better to use minimum content. When you are recording the slides or the graphics, OBS Studio, right now I am also using OBS is very nice. So understanding the OBS tool, which is free, open source, you can download and install and start recording. Nothing a big deal, very easy peasy software. But there are some tips and tricks that involve like improving the quality of the output, improving sound quality, utilizing various type of transition. All those things make the content more engaging. So here SEO plays a significant role. Right title of the content, relevant keyword, and etc. And also when you are recording, keeping the environment and background good, so that it is presentable to the audience. Next time is if you are not a native speaker, not frequently using English in your day-to-day conversation, then using those sound like and dead air is very common. So eliminating this using tools like CapCut, if you are confident that okay, this amount of sound is enough for proving this is a human content, it's okay, fine, no need to do a lot of editing. Then adding some caption and transition that increase the viewership, and then export it in different sizes. Understanding those specification on aspect ratio is important for different platform. Once you upload them on different social media, working on hashtag, if someone commenting on this, even good or bad, replying this comment with positive vibes, following the guidelines of the platform. These are some common part of content marketing. So this is my presentation about what is content marketing. See you guys in the next episode. Till then, take care. Hope you like this. Thank you.